Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, I spoke about those fuel prices at the start of the bulletin, so guess what? All categories of fuel will decline effective tomorrow. A liter of 87 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less. 90 will decline by $4, taking both categories to their lowest in 3 weeks. Diesel will hit its lowest since the second week of February last year, selling for $4.50 less per liter. Now, tomorrow's $4.50 dip will take ultra-low sulfur diesel to its lowest ex-refinery rate since the last week of February in 2022. Kerosene will also go down by $4.50. $1.32 will be shaved off the cost of propane, while butane will go for 25 cents less. Of course, each gas station will have their varying price differentials. JN Life Insurance is reporting that it saw an increase in its market share in 2022. While addressing a recent staff award ceremony, JN Life's General Manager Hugh Reid says based on individual life sales, the company now holds 1.2% of the insurance market, representing a 140% increase year over year. Now, in 2021, JN Life says its market share was about 0.5%. Meanwhile, JN Life Insurance Company is reporting improved earnings for 2022. The company says its three key areas, individual life, group life, and pension, recorded year-over-year increases, which led to a 14% improvement in the company's gross premium income to almost $1 billion Jamaican dollars. Now, Mr. Reid says the company broke its monthly individual life sales record 4 times last year. JN Life says a significant percentage of sales were generated through referrals from its sister company, JN Bank. This accounted for some 46% of JN Life's individual life sales last year. Now to other news, investment company Epley has received approval for one of its new ventures to operate as a microcredit agency. The company says the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, has granted approval for Epley Consumer Finance to conduct business under the new Microcredit Act. Epley Consumer Finance is to provide micro-lending services such as loans and insurance premium financing to individuals and micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. The company is one of 12 entities now approved to operate in the based on the new legislation, that is. Employers are being encouraged to place greater importance on training and certification to improve cybersecurity resilience and reduce the skills gap amongst staff. U.S. firm Fortinet's 2023 Global Cybersecurity Skills Gap Report found that 91% of Latin American and Caribbean business leaders prefer to hire individuals with technology-focused certifications. 90% of the respondents say they would pay for an employee to get cybersecurity certification. Now, most believe their organization would benefit from cybersecurity training, with 95% saying they have experienced positive results from either their team or themselves being certified. And back home, after a second day of interventions into the foreign currency market, injecting a total of $60 million $153.95 is the average selling rate for the U.S. currency. $113.36 is the going rate for the Canadian, $193.12 for the pound, while it's costing an average $173.21 for the euro. The JSE index gained 1,768 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 8 points. Among the winners were Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, JMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, ISP Finance Services, and Elite Diagnostic. On the losing side were Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Blue Power Group, JMB Group 7.15% CR shares, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.